Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Buggy Coder. I hope you guys are doing well and great as well. Today we are going to add some CSS in our project. So in this series we have already created our React project. We have already discussed about its components. We have already discussed about default and export values. So it is time to go to our next step. As a front-end developer, it is very important to make our project a little bit pretty. So we need some CSS library. So I have decided to add Tailwind in place of our CSS. Tailwind nowadays is a very popular library, and today we are going to add this Tailwind latest version, that is version 4, in our project. So without wasting much time, let's start. You can see I have already started our project and it is running successfully in our browser. Now let's go to the official website of Tailwind CSS, and you can see it is the latest version, that is version 4.1, and we are going to add it in our project. So in the installation part they have already mentioned all steps, so we need to follow this step, and it is pretty much simple to add it in our project. Firstly, they ask us to create our project that we have already created. So for us, we don't need to do it. In our next step, they need to add two things, that is Tailwind CSS, and as we have created our project with Vite, we need to add the Tailwind CSS / Vite. So let's add it. Just copy it, add another command prompt, just paste it. So you can see that it is added successfully. So let's go to the next step. Here they have asked to add this Tailwind CSS into our vite.config.ts. For us it is vite.config.js because it is made with JS, not TS actually. So let's copy it, that is Tailwind CSS from Tailwind CSS / Vite. Go to our vite.config, import it here, and just add this Tailwind CSS into our plugin section. Here it is our plugin section. Okay, just save it. Now we need to import this Tailwind CSS to our app.css. So go to our app.css, omit this all CSS thing, and just add it. Okay. Now next step is npm run dev. So we need to restart our project. So npm run dev. It is for Vite actually. So our project has started. Okay, it is running successfully. Now the next step is we need to add some CSS class, because Tailwind provides us there some custom CSS class from their end, like text 3XL. It is a class of text size. You can say font size actually. So go to our my image.jsx, and here in React we add classes with class name attribute. Okay, just paste it here. So let's go. Let's see. Okay. Now we have already added the CSS, but the CSS not is reflected here. So let's go to our code and find where something is going wrong. Okay, in our app.css we have already imported the Tailwind CSS. So we need to import this app.css to our app.jsx, because app.jsx is our entry point, right? So import app.css, right? Now go to the code. You can see the CSS is added here. If you inspect this React logo thing, we have applied two classes, that is text 3XL and font bold, and you can find this CSS under these classes, right? That is font size and line height. It is provided by Tailwind CSS, and this text 3XL and font bold are the classes that provided by Tailwind CSS. Okay, so if you go to its website, you can find all of its class. Like if you want to add some font family, font size, everything is there, right? So we can add some color from here, like text rate 50. So let's add it. So go to my image and just add it here. Text rate 50. Okay. So let's go to our code. Okay, you can find it here, the React logo. So we need to add some more contrast here, like rate 600. Right? It is already applied here successfully. You can find it. So now we can use the Tailwind in our project whenever we want, and we are trying to make our project little bit pretty, because it is not looking so good. So from our next video we are going to add this Tailwind CSS in our various pages and make our project looks good. And that's all for today, and we will see again in our next video with another important topic.